Hi, today we'll be performing a Petra gasoline direct injection service with Petra GDI Cleaner. This addition to Petra's industry-leading line of fuel services will remove fuel deposits from throughout the fuel system. In direct injection engines, these deposits can have a dramatic effect on the performance of the engine, more so than in older port fuel injection engines. By removing these deposits, we'll restore power, fuel economy, and lower emissions. Let's begin.